Hi guys, welcome back. This week we're going to be focusing on the last part of logic that we'll be learning. So we'll be talking about compound statements and connectives. As I make these PowerPoints, I like to add in little math jokes. So this one's from the Peanuts. Only in math problems can you buy 60 cantaloupes and no one asks you what the heck is wrong with you. That's a little math joke about logic. And now let's get into compound statements and connectives. We'll start with connectives. So a connective is a term that connects two different things, and some of these are and, or, and neither, nor. Okay? What they mean and how to mathematically write them. And means that both of the two statements are true. So you'll get an upward caret to connect the two statements. Or means only one of the two is true. They won't always tell you which of the two is true. Use the caret pointed down for that one. And then we have neither nor, which is neither of the two statements are true. To write that with math, we use that not symbol that we learned last time. Not the first statement and not the second statement, because neither of them are true. Okay? Now, talking about compound statement. A compound statement is two statements put together as one, connected by the words and, or neither, nor. This is where statement P, you'll see statement P, a connective, then statement Q. So, an example to start us off with. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and all humans are mortal. That's in the English. In the math terms, you see that upper caret between them, and the statements just have parentheses around them. Just so you know, the statements do not have to exist in the same context. They are just connected as one statement, one sentence. It doesn't have to be the same. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and all humans are mortal is a compound statement. Okay? Another example, either I am short or I am tall. I can't exist being both short and tall. And this is in mathematical terms. And a last example, it is neither hot nor cold in here. It is not hot in here, and it is not cold in here. Okay? So now we'll get into a couple more examples. I'm putting them together. So if I'm given my first statement is x is less than 3, my second statement is y is greater than 4, and I'm connecting them with the word and. In English, that will be x is less than 3 and y is greater than 4, but in math, we're just going to use that caret instead. Okay. Next example, our first statement, s equals 2. Our second statement, s equals 5. The connective is or because it cannot equal 2 and 5 at the same time. So in English, s equals 2 or s equals 5, and in math we use the lower caret. Okay. Lastly, 4 is less than d, and d is greater than 4, neither nor. In English, neither 4 is less than d, nor is d greater than 4, but in math we have not 4 is less than d, and not d is greater than 4. Alright, so that's all we have. Don't forget, this week Google Meets are a little bit different because we have Monday and Friday off. So our only Google Meet this week is Tuesday at 9:30. And you have two assignments due. You have the compound statements and connectives activity, which is just a worksheet, due Thursday, May 28th by 11:59. And the logic test, which is also being posted today, due Tuesday, June 2nd by 11:59 p.m. Ask any questions you have before Tuesday, okay? And I'm here to help. Please, before taking the test, let me know if you're confused at all by any of this. You can email me and leave a comment on Google Classroom or ask me to go over extra problems during our Google Meet. Email me at brobinson@sapublicschools.com, okay? Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and please let me know if you have any questions.